Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make floating text on CapCut for free. It's very easy and quick. Just watch the video till the end. So first, create a project. Then, click Add Text. Then go to the animation section and click Loop and click Floating Effect. You can adjust the speed of the animation here in the sliding button. Just adjust accordingly. Then, drag the white corner to add the duration of the text. And if you're done with your project, just click Export. And that's it. It's very simple and quick. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.